Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm starting my new topic, which is JavaScript data types. So what is data type in JavaScript? This is very important interview question also. So what is data type? So basically sometime people who have very little knowledge of programming, and they answer this question like data type tells what type of data we can store in a variable. That's it. This is good but not great. Why? Because data type is not only about what type of data you can store in a variable. Actually, data type defines data structure, meaning that it will tell you what type of data, what kind of range it has, and what kind of behavior of data will be in the system memory. Data type defines data structure. Data structure is very important when you learn advanced topic, when you build a very high level kind of application. So you need to have the knowledge of data structure and all. So in that job interview, you will be asked this question: what is data type? So answers you should be giving like it defines the data structure, meaning it defines the type, range, and behavior of data in the system memory. So in JavaScript, based on the behavior of data type, they are classified into two groups. So based on behavior, data types are classified into two groups. First one is primitive data types. Second one is non-primitive data types. So what is primitive data types? So they are immutable types, meaning their structure will not change. I will explain this in the code also. Just for the theory, I'm just reading this out for you. So they are immutable types, meaning their structure will not change, meaning that they have fixed range of value and they are stored in a memory stack. Memory stack uses LIFO, meaning last in first out. This is the mechanism where data is stored like a stack, one by one, and the when the last data that goes in, it will come out first. So that's the LIFO concept. Okay, so we have different type of data types like number, string, boolean, null, undefined, BIGINT, and we have some symbols. So we will learn all this one by one. So first understand what is a meaning by this line, like type, range, and behavior of data in memory. We need to understand this thing. So let's open our VS Code. So we can directly take script inside of our HTML file. So inside of this script tag, we can write var num equals to 10. So we have this number variable, right? If someone asks you what is the maximum and what is the minimum range of this data type, just to looking at this variable, you can say it's a number type, right? But what is its range, like how much maximum you can give and how much minimum you can give. So in JavaScript, we have some predefined range, so we can use it. So let me declare a variable which is called minimum range, and we can say number. We have this object number dot, and we have minimum safe integer. We can store this minimum safe integer. It will give you the range of minimum of a number. Okay, and second we can save maximum range. Same, we can call this number object. Maximum safe integer. So now in this minimum range variable, we have minimum safe integer value and we have maximum safe integer value. So we can write document dot write. We can simply declare this variable right here, minimum range, and we can we can have maximum. Let's see this in our document. So now this is our minimum range and this is our maximum range of a number. So this is our number range. This is the value minimum we can give and this is the maximum value we can give. We cannot pass that. This is the range. So you have to provide the number between this range. So that's why number is a primitive type. So that's why you have to define that number between this range. So this cannot be changed. Okay, so that's why their structure cannot be changed. So which tells that data type define type, range and behavior. So we will see in details about number, string and all this, but for now this is just the introduction of JavaScript data types. So in the next video we will learn about number. We will learn this number in detail. This is very important, and we will do some project also related to the number data type. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification of my new videos. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, and make sure if you have any question related to this topic, please leave that in the comments and I will answer right away. So okay, see you in the next video.